Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for May 22nd. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair first. This pair did create an inside bar on Friday's session, did close up, gapped up just a little bit, not enough to trigger a gap trade, but nonetheless did gap up a little bit. We are looking for this pair overall to be moving sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 82.27, possibly as low as 81.08. Look for some resistance around 82.22 and look for some support around 81.33. Now the Euro USD pair, this pair gapped down 29 pips. Look for it to retrace. We are looking for this pair to continue moving sideways overall, potentially going as high as 144.18, possibly as low as 139.60. Look for some resistance around 143.46. and look for some support around 140.62. Now the the pound US dollar pair, this pair did close up on Friday, definitely moving sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 163.76, possibly as low as 161.01. Look for some resistance around 163.02 and look for some support around 161.44. Now the US Swiss, this pair closed down, had a very large range considering its body. Overall, slight move to the downside, although the bias is definitely sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 0.8905, possibly as low as 0.8695. Look for some resistance around 0.8854 and look for some support around 0.8745. Now, as far as news announcements go, no significant news announcements being released tomorrow. If you notice, we do have three lows here that are definitely could form a trend line to the downside. Looking for it to move lower. We do have a nice area here of previous resistance and support right in this area. Looking to grab about 15 pips off of this quick little scalp. My only real concern is that it's a little bit out from the open. As you can see, the open is moving lower. We're about 60 pips till we would enter, about 78 before we'd exit. That's not necessarily a large range for this pair. Historically, we've seen, this particular session, we see 144 pips worth of movement. Even last Friday's was 109, definitely well past that area, but it is something to be concerned about. Nonetheless, looking for that scalp to occur. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.